Hello, welcome back to Bill's Learning Corner. 今天我们要讲到另外一篇的小书，它标题是 The Missing Monster。好，那最主要今天要学的其实就是我们现在所看到的部分，这边 prepositions 就是它的方位在哪儿 ？OK， 那我们看到这个 monster 在这儿。好，所以这边有一个 box， 所以它会藏在方位的任何一方。来，我们来看看。Okay, the monster is in the box. In. The monster is on the box. 在这上面。The monster is beside the box. 在旁边 ，beside 有些时候我们会说 next to。The monster is beside the box. The monster is next to the box. 好 ，the monster is over the box. 所以 over 呢是这样子的方位。OK， 好，来 ，Where did the monster go？ 那你们猜看在哪呢？哦 ，Where did the monster go？The monster is under the box. Under. OK? 好来，那我们再念一次哦，再回顾一下今天所学的方位词。好，那就是看 monster 在哪儿呢 ？OK， 好，从我们的标题开始 ，The missing monster。The monster is in the box. The monster is on the box. The monster is beside the box, 或者是 next to the box. The monster is over the box. Where did the monster go? Oh, the monster is under the box. 特别说一下，它是很尖压，它不是问句的哦，它是哦，就是发现的。The monster is under the box. 好，所以今天这就是我们所学的方位词。OK，Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.